Hello again and welcome to another weekly sales tip. I am David Lewis, and today I want to speak to you about one of the most critical parts of the sales process, the service walk. Most car salespeople have had at least some steps to the sale training they follow that includes the service walk after the vehicle presentation. Far too often, though, they skip over this in their eagerness to get to the close. Without a service walk, you sound just like every other salesperson. The service walk shows the customer that you care about taking care of them after the sale and not just getting them out of the door and putting a sale on the board. It lets the customer know that your dealership is going to care about them and support them after they buy the car. It's not enough to just tell the customer what you're going to do. You must show them the support your dealership offers and how you will assist them in maintaining the value and quality of service for their vehicle you're trying to sell them. In fact, the service walk is often what seals the deal for the customer. Today's buyers keep their vehicles longer and drive them further, so keeping their new car in top running condition is extremely important to them. A strong service walk also includes an introduction to a service advisor or service manager, one where the service staff actually congratulates the customer on their purchase. This actually seals the deals and puts the customer in a buying mode. Train your service advisors and manager. I introduce my customers to them by stating, Mr. and Mrs. Customer, this is Bob, one of our service advisors. Bob, this is Mr. and Mrs. Smith. They're looking at a new Honda Accord. And have Bob reply with, what a great car, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Most customers will respond with, thanks, we believe we will. What a great closing response. Then have the service advisor fill them in on a little bit of how the service department operates at your dealership. Sure, this takes a bit of setup and practice with the advisor and managers, but well worth it when you close more deals. Mastering the service walk can be the cherry on top of your sales presentation Sunday. Don't just give them a scoop of vanilla. Give them something they can really get excited about, and they will buy the car from you. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.